Freightliner box truck, Cummins motor underneath the hood, Allison automatic behind it. Nice big box on it, 22 foot 6 on it by 102 wide. I'm gonna take a quick walk around, get to the back. Mark's gonna show us the tailgate. Body looks like it's in pretty good shape. Nice side door on it, 3 foot 6 wide by 6 foot 5 tall. Single axle dually. Come on back, Mark's gonna run the tailgate for us and show us that. Good shot inside the box, seeing it's in pretty good shape for you. Nice E-track on both sides. It'll lift you up and put you down. It'll do what it's supposed to do. Body looks nice and straight on this side. Frame underneath the truck looks like it's still got some pretty good paint on it. Fuel tank on this side, DEF on this side, air ride seat, automatic transmission in the center for you. Pretty nice, well-kept truck. Again, 2016 Freightliner with a 22 foot 6 body on it. Give us a call at Arthur Trovey and Sons. We'll tell you more about it. Looks like it's pretty good. It was driven here from quite a ways away from my understanding. We'll tell you more when we know some more, and you call us. Look forward to seeing you sometime soon.